y'all having a blessed day. I wanted to show y'all this really quick, healthy and sexy tip because I'm hungry right now. I'm hungry. And one of these tips that I've been preaching is to not overcook your vegetables. First of all, most people in America, especially, I won't say everybody, most people who live in America overcook their vegetables, especially their collard greens and collard greens are so packed with great nutrition, but in most cases we overcook our veggies. And so I want to show you something I came up with today because I don't have a steamer. Steaming your vegetables is probably one of the most healthy ways to do it. But if you don't have a steamer, you don't really steam your vegetables. And who wants to go out and do all that? Hi, Isaac. Hi, John. Hi, Shantae. How y'all doing? I'm doing great. And so I'm going to show y'all this real quick. Okay. Here I have some broccoli. This is what I'm going to show you how to do this without a steamer. Okay. 1 second. I don't want my phone to die. So that's how it's going to look. But before I show you this, okay, this is the after. This is the before. So what you do is, first of all, I'm going to show you. I'm going to take some Himalayan salt. This is another tip. I'll tell y'all this tip here. But this is some Himalayan salt. I'm going to just put a little salt on here. Here I have a pot on a rapid boil. You could get this for $1, y'all. Okay, from Dollar Tree. Pop this on top. I'm going to take my little oven cover and we're going to let that sit there for literally like less than 5 minutes. Literally less than 5 minutes, okay? And so once you put the top on there, it's going to end up looking just like this, okay? But I want y'all to see this real time, how amazingly fast this is, because again, most people who live in America is on a Western diet. They eat way too little vegetables. I just found out zucchini wasn't even a vegetable. I've been eating fruit this whole time. So one of the things that we do when we do eat vegetables is we overcook our vegetables. But this little magic trick, you can do this. You don't have to use this, but it has, you know, like the strainer has the holes in it already. And this is something you can do without buying extra stuff, extra, you know, gadgets and another steamer and all that. Yes, I added some salt, Isaac. I added a little bit of salt to them, some Himalayan salt. And let's see, it's been about 2 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. Boom! Now, even with... that's hot! Please use something. Lord have mercy, this is live. That's hot. Okay, please use something that is not as hot. But look how bright and beautiful the broccoli is. I don't like raw broccoli. Of course, the best way to eat broccoli is raw. Okay, I don't like raw broccoli. But this is a method in which if you don't have a steamer, you can get that quality, all of those great nutrients broccoli have. And it tastes good. That's my healthy and sexy tip. Follow me there. Don't forget, next Friday we have a really awesome show with a featured guest. I'm going to be on the healthy and sexy. See the thing right there. Click it and follow me over there. Share this video if you found this to be helpful. This is a way you can steam your vegetables without going out there getting extra. This is for the average, ordinary kitchen if you don't have a steamer, okay? If you missed the whole video, watch it. Aisha, you missed the video. Go back and watch the recording. All right, bye, guys.